5 surefire ways to release regret. Regret happens. What doesn't have to happen is you holding on to it forever. Releasing regret is a process, one that is different for every person and every situation. However, you can give various forms of releasing regret a try and learn about yourself in the process. 1. Practice daily gratitude. Practicing daily gratitude is a great way to consistently remind yourself of all that you have. Family, friends, a home, food to eat, maybe even a cute puppy to come home to. Whatever your gratitude is toward, reminding yourself of it is a great way to reflect on the good in your life and make the regrets seem less important in the grand scheme of life. 2. Trust the journey. Reminding yourself that even the adverse events in life are part of a bigger journey allows you to look at the larger picture. Yes, you regret this one mistake, but did that one mistake lead you down a different path that had good outcomes? Everything happens for a reason. Trust that in time you will find out why that mistake or loss occurred. 3. Learn to release emotions. Emotions in the grand scheme of life, once again, are you seeing the bigger picture yet? Are fleeting. Learning to release your feelings when they are not serving you will aid you now and in the future. Stop beating yourself up for something that happened in the past and learn to move on with a clear mind and focus. 4. Accept the lesson learned. Situations or actions we regret typically offer us a lesson, if we are open to learning it. Accept that you learned a lesson and move on with it. Living through a challenging event means nothing if you don't continue living and implement what you learned into your future life. 5. What-ifing the past doesn't change the future. Living in the land of what-ifs is tempting. However, what-ifs literally mean nothing in the practice of daily life. You can spend hours or even days guessing at a different outcome, but it doesn't matter. Those what-ifs will never directly impact your future other than to steal from it. Stop reliving it and move on. If you are living your life being swallowed alive by your regret, start exploring ways to release it and move on. You deserve a life that is fulfilled and happy, not a life that leaves you stuck in the past and wallowing in disappointment.